3, 2, 1. Action!
My name is Curtis Ryan Woodside. I'm a filmmaker and Egyptologist from South Africa. Soon, I will be making my move to Italy permanent, where I will be living with my opera singer fiancé Filippo, after more than a year and a half of not being able to get back.
Cogliere il più bel fiore, goder la vita e far tacere il cuore, ridere sempre così giocondo.
I have visited Tuscany a couple times before, but this time it's a little different. Now it's about settling in. So come with me on something that I don't usually do, a vlog, and see what we get up to almost every week. Okay, so
Buongiorno.
buongiorno tutti.
Ciao.
Philly, what are we making today?
Today we make polpette.
Okay.
What's polpette?
Meatballs.
Ooh, let's start.
Okay. You're gonna show me how?
Yes, I'll teach you how to cook properly Italian polpette.
Va bene.
Vai.
Andiamo.
Iniziamo. As you can see, there are many ingredients. There's many things to put inside because just meatballs without anything inside, it's quite boring. Two kinds of meat, like beef meat and a bit less of pork meat. I like to make them very tasty. So I'll use some of these and I have to chop it very thin.
And what is that, amore?
Because this is rigatino. It's a kind of...
Guanciale.
It's not guanciale, it's a rigatino. Let's chop it like this. Like, let's say 3 slices. 3, not more. So we have to cut a bit.
Very rough.
Very rough, very manly. Hopefully I won't cut my fingers. But this is how you're meant to do. There is not another way. Because you have really to make it very thin and it's sticky. Softer and softer, you see? But also we don't want it too much thin. Because we won't want still to taste it while everything is together, okay? Then we have also this. We use some prosciutto crudo. How's prosciutto crudo in English?
Just ham.
Raw ham.
Or we just say prosciutto.
Yes, but there are other kinds of prosciutto. This prosciutto cotto, prosciutto crudo. So,
Non lo so.
Non lo sai. Okay, let's say raw ham. This one we don't do it thin. We keep it a bit bigger. Two eggs, maybe. 2 eggs, maybe 3.
2 uova.
2 uova, forse 3. Maybe 3 it's better. I don't know, let's see. Later. Poi, we need some bread. We cut it in pieces. Doesn't really matter actually. Because it has to soak. You say soak in English?
Yes.
Soak the milk.
Okay, milk.
Don't do that face.
Why milk?
Because it will make the meatballs very soft. So the bread will be softened. Sorry, by the milk. We have some potatoes we did boil. Sorry, excuse me. And we made them soft. Okay. Now, what's the squeeze? How do you say squeeze? Not squeeze.
Mash.
Smash.
Mash.
Mash them.
Are you happy with your pestle and mortar?
Oh, I will use it now. I'll show you.
We didn't have one, so we got one.
We bought one.
Amazon is amazing.
Mettiamo un po' di burro. The poor Curtis has to clean up everything.
It's very true.
Yes, poor him. So you see the bread is all softened. Okay? So, all together. Okay. You like this kind of pepper? We call it pink pepper. You
Pink
like it?
pepper.
You like it?
See.
Very little.
See. Red pepper cloves.
Okay. I do a mix. Normal pepper, black pepper. And something really not Italian, that is Chinese pepper.
Okay, Szechuan peppercorn.
Szechuan pepper. I like that because it's very much, it's not strong and it's very much, it has lots of flavor of like, come si dice, agrumi. Like oranges and lemon, what's the name? Citrus. So I do this mix. Okay. I also like to put some lemon
Zest.
because it gives some fresh taste to the meatballs then when they are cooked. This is already washed. Some lemon zest.
One chili.
One. Very little because we don't want to wait. And then we work this. Don't I look professional?
See.
It looks like I've done this like thousands times with a mortar.
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano. We use the easy way. Actually, with this kind of meatballs, you can use any kind of cheese. It's nice.
Scusa?
Noce moscata.
Cosa c'è?
I have no idea. Smell it and tell
Oh,
me.
nutmeg.
Yes. Some paprika, always, because we like paprika. Actually, you can put whatever you like in. It doesn't really matter.
Vai.
Okay. Bye.
How long do we mix it for?
A bit. Until it's not, everything is mixed together. So 5 minutes. You can see I didn't put any rosemary, any sage, thyme, anything, because we use them when we cook the meatballs. Okay, still a bit warm, but it's fine. Okay.
Mix that all together.
See. Do you see that the consistency is changed already? It's more hard. Okay, these are ready. Oil. Would you be so kind to go in the garden and pick up rosemary, sage and thyme, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Some sage. It's so nice having fresh sage in the garden. It's so much better than the dried stuff. So, sage. Okay. A little bit of rosemary and thyme. Right, that should be enough. Great, let's go. Philly,
Sì?
j'avais un cadeau pour toi.
Sì, ma non in francese, scusa.
Well, when I can't know the words in Italian, I just say it in French.
Okay. So we have to add salt. Okay, not too much.
Okay.
And then first I'll chop the onion and then I will mix again with my hands. This Aia, fanculo. This, then we...
Enough sage?
More than enough. Okay, we start to do the meatballs. We pass them in the
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs. And they take really little time to cook. It's very fast. Prepare them like this, and then you can put them all together and just freeze them raw. So for today we cook that, and then I'll freeze them,
Okay.
the rest. Okay? This. Whoosh! So they are almost done, like 2 minutes. Prepare the meatballs
To freeze.
to freeze. So I put them like this in the freezer, and then when they're frozen, I put them in a bag.
Cuore matto, matto da legare, che crede ancora che tu pensi a me. Non è convinto che sei andato via, che m'hai lasciata e non ritornerai. Dimmi la verità.
I would like to give a big thank you to my patrons for not only supporting my Egyptology work, but my filmmaking in general. And thank you to all of you for watching and supporting my videos.